Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix remix not working in Snapchat. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to check your Snapchat up to date or not. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Snapchat. If your Snapchat not up to date, then update from here. Press on update. After updating, go back. Open your setting. Go to the apps. Then search here Snapchat. Press on force stop. Press on force stop. Press on storage. Press on clear cache. After doing this, once you restart your phone, hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.